You're not going in that house, Huntress. That I promise.
I'm here on league business, Canary.
That's not what Jean said. We just called him.
Okay, that didn't work.
Maybe this will.
Why are you doing this, Question?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
And here I heard you were some kind of brilliant fighter.
You heard right.
I strongly advise you to stay down. These impact arrows are non-lethal, but they hurt. A lot.
He's gone! Mandragora is gone! Do you have any idea what you've done?
Yes, I hunted a murderer. A murderer the league's protecting.
We don't have time for this. We've got to ask the Question what he just picked up and put in his pocket.
Me?
Don't make me ask again.
Oh. You mean this?
It's a storage key for a place down by the train station.
All right, you two stay here. Don't make me sick Black Canary on you. You've only seen her nice side so far.
Ow! What was that for?
All that crazy mystery man mojo and you couldn't even pick up a clue without being seen?
The key wasn't the clue. The key was mine. Now, this list of container ship arrivals I palmed while they were yelling at you, that's the clue.
I don't get it. Why aren't we on our way to the train station?
Because I know when I'm being conned.
You're cute when you're an insufferable smarty pants.